Hey guys, Jeff Ryan here. Just starting to shoot the video a bit ago. I had to check the temperature. I had the garage door open. It's 46 degrees. That just doesn't happen in Florida here. If it gets under 70 degrees in Florida, we start putting our parkers on. You know, it's 46. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Before we get to the raffle, I had this happen. I was out here a little while ago, and I've had this one for decades. I love the dune buggy. I've had it for decades. I think it's in great shape. And it was going on the track, and all of a sudden it just stopped running. So, you know, I resituated it, and it kind of failed again. What I discovered is there's a crack in the front screw post, and I guess over time the front screw hasn't been, it's getting looser and looser. I tried to tighten it, and it'll tighten, but not well enough to hold it in there. So I've got a project I'm going to do today is fix that front screw post and get that crack mended. Okay, we will get onto the auction here very, very quickly. I've got a bunch of names that I still have got to put into the box here. Everybody from the last auction still in there, once again, except for Chris Larkin. He won the last one. So I'm going to get these folded up, put them in the box. We're going to go from there. Just got the last one folded up, and they're all in there, guys. Every one of them's in there. I'm going to fold the box up here and shake it like mad, and then we're going to do the drawing here in just a bit. All right, I have shaken the heck out of that box. They are mixed up. Before I stick my hand in there, the ice cream truck, I know I mentioned it on the last video, the ice cream truck. We've got the, and we know it's made from Auto World, but it doesn't have the bag bumper. Should we try to put one on? Should we do wheelie bars? I need some suggestions. We got a windshield for it, the bumper we made a few months ago. Even have some decals that have been hanging around for, I don't know, probably a couple of years. I've had the decals. So let me know in the comments below, email me, either way, what should we do with the ice cream truck there? All right, guys, it is time. It is time. Let me turn my head. I got the box, and let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. We went Scott Weiss. Wow, congrats. Very, very, very good. Congrats. You have got the Mach 1 and the chassis coming to you. Fantastic, sir. Fantastic. That is so cool. Fantastic. Now, Scott, I might have your address, pardon me, but please send it to me. Please send it to me. I might have it. And my email address should be up on the screen right now. Guys, I got a little bonus pack right here. I know you can't see in it, but the last time I did the raffle, I had a bonus pack. I've got one here. Just for fun, I'm going to pull a name out of the box here again, just to see if, I mean, it's just like a secondary prize, so to speak. All right, Eugene Bodenberger. Very good, very good. You get the little bonus pack there. So, guys, I'm going to do more raffles. I don't know if I'm going to keep everybody's name in the box like I did this time. Yeah, there we go. Make sure you get that one there for Eugene. But the next raffles I got coming up, I'm going to do at least 2, 3. I see 3 cars here that are going to go up for raffle. I might do 2 of them at the same time. I'm considering doing either, I don't know, 2 of them at the same time, or maybe all 3, but at least two are going to be coming out of here and up for the raffle here in just a bit. All right, we have got to get to the dune buggy. I got to get some Illuminite. Just a sec. I was just going to go inside in Eugene Bodenberger. I need your address as well. Once again, my email address should be on the screen right now, but I need your mailing address. All right, this is the mini casting kit I get from Illuminite. It's got the, for the plastic, it's got the rubber compound, it's got everything you need to get started. We're gonna need just a little bit of it to address the screw post over here. First thing I wanna do is I wanna take the body off the chassis there. All right, got the Illuminite out, and it's equal parts, part A, part B. I've got my cup, 2 of my cups there, and I've got a little mixer. And when it's done mixing, when I get done mixing, I've got this, what is it, like a elongated toothpick There's something you might use for a shrimp or something. I don't know what that is. And I will just drip it into the holes there. And then when that dries, it's going to be like solid plastic. We're going to have to re-tap the holes there. It's going to come out very, very solid. You mix till you get a good color consistency there. And I just took the toothpick and I've got both the screw posts filled in. Now it's just we have to let it dry. That's it. All right, guys, the aluminite has had plenty of time to dry in there. Pardon me, it's like hot or hard plastic is what it is now. And I will definitely drill those out. I do have to cut the video short. My wife told me that we have prior obligations here. But hey, congrats to Scott Weiss for winning the Mach 1 there with the chassis and everything that goes with it. And Eugene, you got that second prize there deal. You're going to love it. Just some fun stuff in there. And once again, what can we do with the ice cream truck? We got the windshield, we got the front grille, we got the truck itself, we got some decals. I'm sure I can scrunch up a chassis, but should we try to make a back bumper? What do you think, guys? What do you think? And if you're liking the raffles, let me know. Once again, there's going to be at least two cars over here that are going to be going up for raffle. And if you think you know which ones they are, let me know, guys. All right, see ya.